What if you could turn contracts from stressful documents into clear, actionable insights in minutes? Let Claude identify red flags against your standard terms, giving you clarity without the legal jargon, and your legal team the head start that they need. Steal this workflow to save a ton of time thanks to Claude's new Work with File feature. Let's go! Hey, Alex here from Grit AI Studio. Today, I'll show you how you can use Claude to review an incoming contract against your standard terms and flag risks in minutes with this powerful workflow. This is a lightning quick video, so for a more detailed walkthrough, make sure you check out our full guide to projects and working with files here. Okay, first create a new project. Drop in your standard terms and add this prompt as project instructions. Get the full prompt in the description below. You can now drop in your incoming contract. Claude already knows what to do, so no need for any prompt at all. And there you have it, a summary with red flags, a complete review version with track changes and comments that you can discuss with your legal team or prepare for that negotiation. Turn it to your own style, add details and your non-negotiables. And of course, always consult legal as a final step. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below what tasks you want us to cover next. Hit subscribe for more real workflows like this one. I'll see you in the next one.